What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Got a new microphone. Hopefully I'm sounding a lot crisper than I was yesterday. Only 50 subs away from 29,000. So close. Confirmed first. Yep. Oh, 48 subs. 48 subs away. The most excited stream yet. I should probably change the stream name, but whatever. Barry Manilow is now gone, and the real Josh is back. I sound awesome. I'm sounding crisp. Hope I sound a lot crisper. I have a condenser microphone now. Ramsey, you're not first, sorry. Malo's second. Vakir Gaming, what's up? Blockchain, AJ, Ruben, David, Craig. The most excitedest stream yet. Sharma, what's up, man? Craig, you still going, you still headed home or what? Nice audio, thanks. I don't actually know what I sound like, but I'm hoping. That's the old school spiked hair. Well, if you didn't know, I'm actually still in kindergarten where we actually do this. We flatten down the top, and then we gel up the front like this. Now I'm officially 5. You're home now? That's a short day, it seemed. Did I get all the ransom money yesterday? What are you talking about? I look like I'm 5 with that hair. Just mess it up. Cookie Trains. Why, hello there. Solid Link, what's up, man? The crispiest of the crisp. Got my crisp, cancerous Diet Pepsi. Hi, can you check out my channel? Is it a Fortnite channel? Because if it's Fortnite, I'm gonna have to ban you. Oh, you wasn't at work, you were at the store. Pictures of when I was young? Yeah, no. Someone sent me a message. Just Google calendar. Oh boy, that hair matches that sweet vocabulary. Robin, what's up, man? Dude, we're just hanging out. You guys having a good Sunday? Oh, I did see Venom yesterday. It was exactly what I'd want as a kid. I had like 15 Venom figurines. Like, it would have been cool to see Spider-Man, but if I were to make a movie as a kid about Venom, that would have been the movie I was going to make. If you didn't know anything about it, you watched it, you'd be like, this doesn't really make any sense. You have an interview tomorrow, and I need 5 great questions to ask. What? 5 great questions? Okay. Ask who you're going to be working with, what you're going to be working on. Ask what's, where can I expect to be in a few years? Maybe another question. This is question number 4. What do the benefits look like? I don't know. Like, what's the turnover rate? That's a good question, right? So a good company won't have any issue answering that. A bad company might be like, well, we don't talk about that. Hemant, hey bud, hey Hemant, what's up, man? How's it going? I'm hoping the audio's a little bit crisper today. Got this new condenser mic. It's still USB, but financial stability of the company. That's kind of a deep question. I feel like if you ask that question at a startup, you're gonna be shown the exit. And why is this the best channel on YouTube?
Probably because you can also talk to Josh, but you can also talk to Herbert, because Herbert likes to chime in every now and then.
You have to have the at the end. Sounds crispy? All right, good. Hopefully it's not echo. Rate Venom out of 10? It was 10 out of 10 for me. Hey man, how much $sign do you make a year? I was making 75 at my full-time job. How much do I make now? Not 75.
I dropped my pencil. Anything I can do to get this job done while I'm down there getting it?
I don't know why I read that like that. Vincent L, what's up, dude? What frameworks are you using to build GrindReel? I'm using WordPress. And I know, before you say anything, well, you shit all over WordPress. No, wait. Hold on. One moment here. I'm not a boot camp, and I'm not selling you state-of-the-art boot camp stuff. Craig. That's a sick voice. Yeah, I'm using WordPress. WordPress is great as a one-man band, one-man army type deal. Yeah, I mean, I'm using WooCommerce, which is a great I'm using a great e-commerce, WooCommerce through WordPress. I don't want to do Shopify because with Shopify you're limited to Shopify themes, and most of those cost like $200 a theme. And then on, yeah, you can't. It doesn't really have great SEO. It has a lot of plugins, but WordPress has the same stuff. I banned you from Discord. Yeah, you guys were talking about stuff that we're not supposed to talk about. I'll unban you if you want. Just keep that on the DL, you know? What theme in WordPress? Oh, it's Divi Builder, so it's like a custom theme. You keep going for a couple of years and you can make much more than my previous company CEO. Well, I think if I just keep building my brand, it's not particularly about the dollar value, right? It's about the freedom and flexibility, right? So if I go on a trip to Hawaii and I film one video in Hawaii, suddenly, boom, business expense, mark that off. Josh, how old are you? I'm 28 years old. Craig, can we get JoshBot in here? Dude, we're so close to 29,000. If I could get 30,000 by the end of next week, which I know. Actually, so this is I got another interview video I'm thinking about coming up with, is dealing with a recruiter, and you guys can see how recruiters actually work, and I'll ask them the questions that you're not supposed to ask them because I don't actually need the job. How do you feel about selling CMSs like a restaurant landscaping or viable? Yeah, I mean, that's why WordPress is a thing. WordPress is a great thing for freelancing because you can hand it over to the client. Whereas if you make it from scratch, every time they want you to do something, now you have to log in and do it yourself, right? Is that part of the contract? Are you getting paid for that? Is that going to be worth your time? That's up to you. But generally WordPress is good because you can hand it off to the client, like, all right, here you go, here's your login, go ahead and do it. Please do the recruiter video. Yeah, I'm thinking about, I mean, I have a whole bunch, right? We were looking at a whole bunch on my LinkedIn. They send me loads of stuff, and I'm thinking about just, taking the phone call and being like, just recording it and be like, yeah, actually, I don't think I can make that much because I haven't changed my LinkedIn, right? I haven't changed it. It still says I work at my company, and, Is the industry ageist? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty ageist, but it's not impossible. You just graduated computer science, you're 33. Yeah, 33 is not a big deal. I think if you're like closer to Craig's age, it might be more difficult. I mean, Craig is kicking ass, so it's not really a big deal, but you gotta be able to prove value, right? Don't give them any freebies on your resume. Don't include a birth date. Don't include anything. Like, someone sent me a resume with their birth date on it and their age. I'm like, bro, like, it's illegal for them to discriminate, but like, please don't add Ramsey as a mod. Ramsey mod incoming. Please hold. STEM Fair is coming to the university. Recruiter interview will help immensely. Okay, we'll do that then. LinkedIn is super irrelevant. Resumes, I mean, I'm thinking about just, still applying to, like, actually applying to jobs and just taking them as far as I can take them, and then just, yeah, I mean, I might as well just start changing my name on my resume at this point, and then just recording them, because they're going to Google my name and they're going to be like, all this kid does is he just makes videos on interviews for the job. If you made your own CMS and licensed it to devs, is there a market, or has WordPress made it there? Nobody. Okay, so there's not only WordPress. There's like Django. There's a whole bunch of CMSs. You got plenty of CMSs out there. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Any advice on learning Ajax? Yeah, use Axios. Axios is a nice little library. Did I get my coupon up and running? Mama needs a new resume? Yeah, hold on, I got you, fam. Let me remember what the code is. I'll just drop it in chat. So, do you guys want the coupon for my resume? Please hold. Who else? Yeah, so definitely learn Axios. That's a great one. Where's my login? You guys got big plans today? All right, here you go. Here's the 15% off. Just use that life in tech exclamation point. Spark easy. That'll work. Craig's got that old man strength. You tried Ajax, but you found Comic Cleanser to do a better job. I mean, I personally prefer the Walmart brand, you know. Smash that like 7 times. Sparky Z, thanks for smashing that like. If you're here, please smash that like. I would definitely appreciate that. Even if you're lurking. I know there's lurkers out there. If you don't wanna ask a question, hey, no big deal. But I try to engage with everyone. I don't want to be that guy that you can't talk with. I don't think you're gonna make money off of making a brand new CMS. People got you beat. How's the girlfriend? She's actually going on vacation today. I gotta take her to the airport in a few hours. She's got that fall break. She's going to Czech Republic, England, UK. You know what I'm doing? I'm making videos. That's okay. Will I be doing vlogs? Yeah, I mean, I'll be doing vlogs. I just have to figure out how to make my day different than the day before. I'm thinking about maybe traveling around now. I want to go visit Chris. I want to go visit Joe. I want to go visit Aaron, but Aaron's always watching concerts, it seems. Just different people, well, the people that I know, I guess, on YouTube. That'd be cool to go meet them in person. Like, because they all have full-time jobs, well, except for Joe. But, like, I think that'd be cool to go travel around. I might go meet Patrick from Lambda School. He lives in San Francisco. So I'm thinking about going to San Francisco and interviewing him. So for one of my weekly Friday videos where I'm like, all right, let's check in on Patrick. Sponsored by but it'll be like in person. I think that'd be cool. You hear that I have a Twitch channel. The Twitch channel is not doing very great, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't follow it. Basically, when I tried to stream code, or I tried to stream games on this channel, it wasn't working. People are like, what is this? This is not like, so right now I have 75 people here, and then when I had the game up, it was terrible. Like, everyone just left. Did you get the Google job? I don't want the Google job. I work for myself. I don't want to work at Google. I was just doing the interview for you guys. Will these be road trips or plane? Probably plane trips. Do I speak with Brad Traversy? Yeah, I mean, he commented on a few of my videos. I messaged him a few times, but actually I haven't messaged him. I responded to his comments, but I've never talked to him. I've messaged Mayuka, I've messaged Joma, I've messaged Jarvis, I've messaged the tech lead, I've messaged... That's about it. And none of those people responded. Any advice on starting a tech YouTube channel? I mean, you just have to start. And your first videos aren't going to get any views. And you have to figure out a way to promote it without being too pushy. Definitely still do it, though. Come visit you. And I think the cost of the plane ticket is not a viable investment to get there. Learning code on Code Academy. Thanks, dude. Let's see. But Daniel, I would just do it. I mean, do you have any like specific difficulties or questions about how to do it? What's the tech going to be about, right? You're going to review stuff? What's the strangest locations you've coded at on the laptop? I mean, I've never really... I'm more of a stay-at-home person, right? I don't code on the laptop. I code on my desktop because I have 3 screens. I can do all that. Mr. T just got ignored. I don't see a question from Mr. T, but... Oh, do I play video games, Dota or something? I play Overwatch. I was playing some Ring of Elysium the other day with Craig. PUBG. I don't know, all the big stuff, I guess. Same stuff as you guys. Dota 2 games are too long and people throw and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Did I message Joma? Yeah, I messaged him. I sent him an email and he didn't respond. What can you do, you know? jQuery still worth? Definitely still worth. React View Angular. I'm gonna have to say React. Bitcode $5 for the no fake push-ups. All right, let me hit you with them legit real push-ups. No fake push-ups here. Got my favorite sweater on. All right, hit him with the 5. Move this out of the way. Hold on, please hold. Who got 5? Hey, you coming in, buddy? You coming in? I heard you push the door. Come here. Come here. Okay. You doing push-ups? All right. Thank you for those 5 Bitcode. Appreciate you. Drop and give us 5. Craig. Oh, rent a Lambo. And tell them I bought it with pennies, right? That's the new meme. That's the new meta. 6. Was that 6? Apparently I can't count. Do you like protein? That's all caps. Yeah, I mean, I like myself some protein. That's a fucking weird question. What I missed? Stranger's location. I mean... I don't know. I don't have a laptop, number 1. So I have to go get a new laptop. But I can't just get like a basic XPS whatever. It has to be something that can edit video. So it has to probably be like a gaming laptop. What's on my coding music playlist? Let me hit you with that. Let me hit you with that Spotify link. Please hold. Chill lo-fi study beats. Share. Copy playlist link. Here's chill lo-fi study beats. Also got jazz vibes, also good. That's a good one here. And then I got cute beats. This one's kind of fun. Those are my 3 like study focused playlists when I need to get some stuff out the way, get them done. Oh, also Sparky, did that work? I don't know if it worked. Laptop fundraiser, yeah. Where's the doggo? Oh, probably in the back. You know, you did Angular on the boot camp. Do you still do TypeScript? I've never... Oh my god. Craig! Thank you, Craig. All right, here comes the 20. Hold on, let me hit you with the 20. Doggo's in there. Come here, Doggo. You want to do some push-ups with me? Doggo. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sue. Come here, other dog. We're doing push-ups. We're doing 20 push-ups. All right. Well, let me tilt you down. Craig swinging those big D's. Yeah, I mean, definitely suggest a channel. How did I come across Lambda School? The CTO where I went to boot camp at Dev Mountain is now the CTO of Lambda School because they wouldn't, or not the CTO of Dev Mountain, but the teacher at Dev Mountain that I had. Recommend backend framework and language. Maybe PHP or Python. Rip upper body today. It's actually chest day at the gym, so get a little pump. All right, here we go. We got 20. 1, 2. All right, there's the 20. Okay. You would need protein powder after that, don't know? Just 20 push-ups. Any job offer from Google? No job offer from Google. I don't want to work at Google. Not really interested. I was just doing the interview for you guys. Oh, you like the Google interview? Nice, dude. Recruiting Instagram. Oh, nice, dude. You used my debit card for that donation. Thanks for giving me the 20 bucks I already had. Did I feel weird talking to the camera at the beginning? I feel weird talking to the camera now. It's easier to do it on a live stream, but yeah. Can you recommend some Udemy courses? Colt Steel seems to be pretty popular. It's more full stack, but Colt Steel. 6. Okay, let me note that in a new tab. Oh, nice. I think there's like a channel, like a bakery channel. That's like, it's like Baker's Chill playlist or something. I don't know. I really liked it. Yeah, I still feel really weird. Like, okay, so imagine you're looking at this lens. It's really difficult to just look at this lens and maintain a train of thought. Because think about it, when you're talking to your friends or someone in person, you're not just staring at them in the eye the whole time. But people expect you to do that with this camera, so it's weird. And then it makes it a little easier when you can see yourself like this. It's a little easier. Still awkward, but a little easier. And then imagine taking this places and you have this big fluffy microphone here. And people just stare at you because they don't know what this is. Looks like some sort of weapon, you know. And this is not like, you know, it's a pretty complicated camera, so people are like, oh, what's all those buttons and gizmos and gadgets? Outro song with Patrick. Someone asked, I put it in the comments, you have to search a little bit. It's not too bad. What industry software should you start to learn? What do you mean? What industry? Like probably JavaScript, something like that. What are my long-term goals with the channel? Yeah, Craig posted there. Long-term goals with the channel, just keep growing the channel. Eventually I'd like to make some videos where I like kind of do Mr. Beast type stuff. And when I say that, I mean like buy my parents a house, I don't know, just give back to people. Like go to Patrick's house, buy him a new car or something. Keep on work, thanks. Awesome. I'd really like to do more vlog type stuff. I'd like to go travel. I'd like to have a big glacier behind me with like a fluffy coat on. Be like, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's code video. And I have like snot sickles and stuff. I think that'd be kind of fun. What do I think about Flutter? I haven't messed with it. I think it's probably not. Mr. Beast must be a multimillionaire. That's not how it works. Mr. Beast he gets money from sponsors, and then he takes that money and he gives it away. And then he gets a whole bunch of views on that video, and that's his actual profit. So it's not like he just has unlimited money to give away. He gets that from sponsors and then gives it away. But the video views make up that money tenfold. I'm going to be advertising Quid or something. If Quid wanted me to come and advertise Quid, and they wanted to pay me $25,000, I'd be like, 30 seconds to say, hey, check out Quid, or say no. You know? Did I type Engineered Truth? Engineered Truth doesn't really make code-related videos that much anymore. But I know Engineered Truth, Mayuko, Jarvis, the tech lead, and Joma, they all know each other in person. So it's like really difficult to... It's not very fair, right? Like, they all have tons of subscribers anyways. It's just not very fair. They all know each other, and they all work with each other, and they all live in the same area. Well, not Engineered Truth anymore, but like there's like this little clique that they have going. I just have to work my way up from scratch. You'd like to see me do more B-rolls? Some people like it. Some people are like, hey, can we just get to the content? Should you wear a suit or something for more casual? I mean, just wear business casual, wear a button-up, wear some khakis maybe. I like to do B-roll. It just takes a little bit to edit. I actually like editing a whole lot. It just takes a lot of time and energy to edit B-roll. and then release a video every single day. But I should probably start doing that more. The more I do unrelated to code content, but sometimes people are they just want to get to the program. They just want to get to whatever the video has to offer. Yoma Tech and the tech lead worked their way up. You think they just magically got... Yoma knows Mayuko. They worked at the same place. Mayuko got a bunch of subs from her day in the life video and then worked with Yoma, and Yoma got that boost. And then Yoma worked with the tech lead, so they worked together, and then he got that boost. Thanks for the playlist. Yeah, dude. If you're talking to me. Someone, what about Eminem Venom? Oh, Eminem Venom was like, I don't know. It doesn't sound like Eminem. It's weird. It's not, I don't think it's very, it sounds like he's just mumbling. He's like, Venom, 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 Venom. Still both started from 0. Yeah, sure. I mean, technically you're correct. Everyone starts from 0, but they had a very large boost. I mean, it is what it is, right? I would do it too. If they do it, then I would do it, right? I'm not giving them shit for doing it. I'm just saying, like, I don't know anyone, and I've responded to them, and they won't answer, so, well, you know, what can you do? Jarvis has been blown up recently. I mean, I don't know. He's not making code or tech videos anymore. He actually made a little comment. He's like, I'm probably going to start a new channel for tech-related videos. And it's like, wait, what? What? Isn't that what you started on? He just has more fun making comedy videos. Probably makes more money that way. You watched Yoma work hard. They did put in the work. I mean, they put in the work, right? But like, I mean, go do it. I'm not saying, I'm not giving them any shit. I'm just saying they had boosts and I don't. So it's just going slower for me. That's all there is to it. Would I still work with them? Yeah, I'd still partner with them. I'm not upset about it. It's just like, that's, you know, that's just the reality of how YouTube works. Yeah, 100K next year, maybe, hopefully. If I could do that, that'd be all right. The math says, well, the math's not doing, you know. Just make an algorithm that notifies everyone about my, yeah, I know. So we looked at my analytics, and only 2% came from actual subscribers. Techly would be a cool collab. I don't know what we'd talk about, or if he'd bother wanting to talk about it. Let me pull up my analytics here. Got the junior, nice, dude. Sick. Hope it helps you out. All right, let's take a little gander here. Do it with Krishan. I was thinking about going to meet Krishan in person. Actually, what I could do, if I really wanted to get creepy, is I could just go to San Francisco, find the Patreon office, and then just sit outside of the Patreon office and wait for Jarvis and Mayuko to come out and be like, hey guys, I'm Josh, I'm gonna collab with you. Oh, and then make a video on that. You guys wouldn't respond to my messages, so here I am. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? How about a collab with Engineer Man? Maybe, if they wanted to. Doesn't you remember that one girl with the day in the life of the software? Yeah, that was Mayuko. She works at Patreon with Jarvis. You're doing Lambda School? Nice, dude. Congratulations. Happy Sunday, Sean. Do it, please. That's content. Yeah, I mean, that'd be creepy content. It'd also make me look weird and they wouldn't want to work with me. It'd be cool if I could manage to, like, if I could, like, get them to be okay with that. I think that would be great video for everyone involved. I mean, it would still make me look creepy as fuck, but do you have a software engineer job? No, I actually can't even code, so I just make videos about code, but I can't actually code. Talk about why popular YouTube channels are bad, or insufferable Instagrams, or what else? People that make diss tracks, you know. Basically just take popular stuff that's really stupid and talk about how stupid it is. That's how you become famous on YouTube. Talk about why popular YouTube channels, yeah. Collab with Vitruvian Physique. If they'd want to, they'd be like, I don't think they'd have any interest. I don't make a whole lot of physique videos. Are you being sarcastic? Yeah, I'm being sarcastic. I had an engineer job, but I don't work there anymore because I don't like working in a cubicle, you know. Yeah, not if I preface it with a video that says, "This is a prank," but like, or maybe at the end, right? That'd be good. I think a lot of people would watch like 10 seconds and then, yeah. One viral video. We could do that. That'd be cool. 10K subs a day. It's not about the subs, right? Sub count doesn't actually like convert to views. That's what I was going to pull up. I was going to show you guys that you can have a lot of subs but still no one watches. So let me go to subscribers. You graduate Lambda, get a dev job, get a new patron. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate you. They're a little bit outdated, but let me see. Where are you located? I'm in Salt Lake City. How do I change this by subscribers? I think it's traffic, maybe. Yeah, the sub to view ratio is what matters. It's more about just getting the views than subs. What's my opinion on high intensity interval training? I think it's good. I do that. Well, maybe not specifically high intensity interval training, but I try to do something between sets of lifting weights to keep my heart rate up. All right, so if you look here, hold. We can see the traffic of the subs. So we can see browse features, channel pages, notifications. So 2.7% of my views, zoom in if you can't see that, 2.7% of my views come from actual subscribers, from notification subscribers. What is going on here, right? YouTube search, I get 8%. Channel pages, 8%. Suggested videos, okay. Browse features, so this is recommended. 56% of my views come from there. Almost nothing from you know, playlist. In-screen, very rare. I should probably start adding those. They do add up over time, but it's just very, yeah, it's strange. What can you do, you know? There's 2 others in the cohort that found Lambda from my channel. Hey, thanks, man. That's cool. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's a pretty sweet place. I'm jealous that I didn't get to go. I feel like Patrick's talking about stuff to me. I'm like, dude, I don't even know. I don't. He's like, can you help me with this? I'm like, I could try. You guys are learning good stuff. Gonna take the daughters out. Catch you later. Hey, thanks, man. Why 5-minute Logan, Jake Paul, PewDiePie, Paul sucks? Easy views, dude. Pog in chat if you're a part of that 2.8%. Yeah. It's just what can you do? It's strange. Have I worked with .NET? Yeah, I worked with .NET, but I haven't worked with Java. YouTube is hard to do if you're doing no solo. You mean if you're doing only solo? YouTube's hard to do from scratch, like in general anyways. Usually people start collabing and they start sharing viewers, and it's just it's different than I thought it would be, doing it kind of as a job. It doesn't feel like a job, but like kind of have to treat it that way. It's all good though. wish you could afford Lambda? What do you what? If you're not in the U.S., you can afford it. I mean, you like that's the thing, right? If you're not in the U.S., they charge up front. If you are in the U.S., all right, then it's free till you get a job. Appreciate everything you do. Thanks again. Hey, Sean, let me get you your 5. Please hold. Thanks, man. I hope that you're enjoying it. The best part about Lambda is C, better because of C. Yeah, I mean, it's good stuff. I think, Edward, you said you were a PM, right? I remember reading in a comment, you said you were a PM. That's for U.S. citizens. Well, I mean, you have to think about Lambda from their side because they can't track your income, and there's no way they can force you to pay them back if you decide to just go rogue, you know? All right, please hold. Here we go. Hit the 5. All right, got the 5. Code Bullet is a good example. I think that said Code Rogue. Did you change it to Code Bullet? Hey, yo! What's up, Sapins? Yeah, dude, Lambda's sweet. I think if you learn C, you can learn hardware and memory management, so it's super cool that you can hook onto the hardware of the computer to help manage things like that, because you can't do that with JavaScript. I mean, I'm not saying, like, I know C, but, like, I know you can do that in C++ because that's what they do for game dev. That's how they optimize the game for different hardware. I'm assuming you can do that with C as well. Am I stupid? Was that 6? I think it was 6 because on the first one I didn't touch my nose, so I had to. I can't be giving you shitty form. I mean, if anything, they're my push-ups, right? I want to make them count. Gotta hit that form right. If I mess up, I do it again. Always overachieving. Dude, it's form. All about that form. Try hard. This microphone is like exceptionally heavy. I also have headphones now that I can. So if you guys want to like stream some games on Twitch, maybe we can hit up some of that games. Dude, Daniel, what's up, man? Hope everything is going well for you. Just joined, don't know how the current topic, but what are my new gears? Headset, mic, yeah. So we got this. We got the Void headset, and also this is a Samsung G-Track Pro mic. I have the boxes somewhere. I think they're in my closet, but yeah, the other one is dying. The Blue Yeti is dying. Well, actually not the Blue Yeti itself, but the USB cord. But I think it's time for an upgrade here. I think it's time to upgrade that. I should add crunches. He could get the chest and abs done. I wouldn't do abs on a hardwood floor. That's not very fun. And I don't really like crunches. Crunches aren't fun. I prefer leg lifts, roller wheels. Crunches are kind of eh. Fork knife. I don't know. I do more standing mid-core stuff. Do I play Fortnite? I could play Fortnite. I'm not against playing Fortnite. I'm just not very good at building. I need to bind my keys and get good with how all of that works. I think it'd be fun. I think I'd be relatively good at it. But I tried streaming games on the YouTube and everyone just bailed. It was terrible. I think Twitch is for streaming games. YouTube is for streaming YouTube stuff. So if I want to, then I'll stream on Twitch and some. All right, let me link the Twitch. You guys can go follow it. We'll do viewer games. I'll play with you guys. I mean, there's no qualms. No, you don't gotta please enter subscribers only because I don't have any subscribers. So like, let me find it. There you go. So if you want to go follow the Twitch channel, we can play some games. Seriously, whatever you guys want to play. I probably have it. Do I play PES 19? What is that? Is that like pro golf? Oh. Yeah, no, I don't play. I don't play soccer, or I don't really play sports games. I'd rather just go play sports. But yeah, go follow that. Patrick, the code guy, left a message on my video. Is that a thing? Dabin Kupnenko. What's up, dude? I mean, we can play mobile games. You guys are down to play mobile games. You want to play some PUBG mobile? I actually have the what is this? The Samsung Note 9, the thing that you get the skin or something on it. But like it doesn't run Fortnite that well. Maybe I'm just bad, but probably I'm just bad. Do you play PUBG Mobile? Yeah, dude, I got PUBG Mobile right here. Got it on the phone, got it on my laptop, or my, what is it, iPad? What's my plan for tomorrow? Tomorrow we're making another, analyzing the job, how to apply to the job. I might do a vlog. I'm thinking about doing some fitness stuff, been reading some fitness books. I kind of just want to go do things and go explore Utah and like make fitness and running videos. Is this the Prawn Hub stream? Yeah, this is the exact place. We're talking about Alina Lopez right now. If you're interested, we can also check out Riley Reed. I'll be pulling those up shortly. I hope you guys got your lube on hand. Let's see. What school did I go to? I went to a school in Finland for mechanical engineering, but if you're talking about like the programming stuff, I went to Dev Mountain, where Ben Nelson is the CTO of Lambda School. Ben Nelson was a teacher at Dev Mountain, and he was my teacher there for the part-time course, and he was the most difficult he was a very hard teacher. How do I manage my time? Pretty strict on my time, but how do I manage it? Self-discipline. It's kind of difficult to say. You got to write down everything that you're going to do. You got to put it on Trello, and then you just have to work through those tasks before Dev. Yeah, so I went to a school in Finland for mechanical engineering. You're an inspiration. Hey, thanks, man. I don't feel like an inspiration, but if I'm an inspiration to you, that's awesome. I just want you guys to do well, right? My channel does well if you guys are doing well, because if it doesn't do well, it means the stuff that I'm saying isn't working or isn't helping anyone, which means I'm not providing value, so why do I deserve value? So that's good. That's good to know. I'm glad it can help. No, this is YouPorn. No worries. You guys are a bunch of peasants. Go to VK. It's the Russian version of Facebook. Okay, there's no DMCA claims there. Just saying, you can get a lot of high quality entertainment. That's the most valuable gem I've dropped in the stream all day. Have I considered people submitting companies to do research on? What do you mean? Why not stick to mechanical engineering? Because it was boring. All of the jobs in mechanical engineering are boring. I don't like working in a cubicle. You can't work remote. The culture of mechanical engineering is not fun. I had like 4 bosses. I didn't do anything with mechanical engineering. I literally just did Excel sheets and a whole bunch of other stuff that was not related to what I did at school at all. I can go on and on. I have a whole video about why mechanical engineering sucks for me. Any cool programming projects? I've been thinking about whipping out the, I gotta be careful with that phrase, whipping out. Doing C++ to learn Unreal Engine, or learning Unreal Engine to do C++ to be, As a dev, whose professional experience is an internship. You want to do freelance because you like building things yourself. Do I think it's a worse idea? No, it's not. Definitely build things for yourself. That's when you're going to learn the best. You're going to get stuck more, but it's going to be more rewarding, probably. The problem with freelance is that you have to have a steady flow of clients to be able to live, right? That's the real bottleneck of freelance. Anyone can say they want to do it, and it's, yeah, great, go do it, go be your own boss, but you still have to find clients to do the work and charge and make sure they pay you. Mechanical engineering, boring versus pay. The pay is not very good in mechanical engineering. Software development pay is way higher than mechanical, and then it's also boring, so yeah. What's my favorite programming language? I think Python, even though I'm not very good at Python. I think Python's definitely my favorite. just because of the syntax and the utilizations, the utility of it. JavaScript's okay, I guess. JavaScript has a bunch of gotchas because they made JavaScript and they have like ES 5, 6, 7, right? But they can't go back and change JavaScript because the whole internet's built on it. Learn C. Well, C++ is a little bit specialized for the Unreal Engine. I don't know if I have enough time to learn C specifically. I probably just, I don't want to get stuck in the just learn this thing but not have any applications for it. But I try to learn C++ and then drop down to C maybe at that point, because otherwise I'll get bored and I won't have any like practical applications for learning C. I'd just be like, okay, well, when would I use this? Like, that's how I am, right? I have to just jump straight into stuff and then work backwards. That's how I learn best. But I know at Lambda they probably give you like projects and stuff. But mainly I just want to make a game, and I know it's kind of mixed with blueprints in Unreal Engine, so some of it's visual drag and drop, connect the logic flow, which is nice. I'm a visual person. And then some of it's like actual C++ code, which is like, oh, I could learn that. I know they use C++ at Blizzard. Issa said job post, not company. Like, have users suggest which job posting I do research on for tomorrow's vid. Yeah, I mean, we could take a vote. If you guys want to find a job for me, maybe post. Well, I don't know. Let me think about how to do that. Because everyone's going to pick jobs that they want to apply to. And if it's in like the middle of nowhere, you know, I'm going to be like, I have no idea. We can try and look at it, see how we could, what our angle could be for this. By the way, personal question, who else? Oh, man. Does anyone else? Amazon job? I mean, yeah, we can maybe look at an Amazon job. Yeah, sure. Let's look at what I would do to apply to Amazon. Sure. Let me note that down. Amazon jobs. How to apply. We do Unity and it feels like we're being babied. Unity is okay. Unity's all right. I mean, you got C#. I know you can do it in JavaScript, but I just feel like Unity is trying to drastically get up to speed with Unreal Engine. Right now, Unreal Engine is kicking Unity's ass because they have all of that Fortnite money to dump into developing the development engine. And Fortnite is built on Unreal Engine, so it's in their best interest to keep Unreal Engine working smooth. Whereas, you know... Wait, are there any online programming boot camps? Yeah, go to Lambda School. Check the link in the description. I've learned C#. I've built a game on C#. C++ is it's just a weird syntax mainly, but it's not too bad. I've already done a little bit of the C++ Unreal Engine game dev Udemy course, which is what I would just be streaming anyways. Unity discontinued JavaScript. Oof. I know that on the roadmap for Unreal Engine they want to make it in Python, which would be super cool because I like that syntax. Let me Google it. Just use Godot. All right, we can look here and we can see this is the roadmap for Unreal Engine, and you can see everything that's been completed, shipped with 4.2. That was their most recent one, and they're working on 4.21 now. I know they have one in here. Yeah, so Python for editor scripting. So instead of having to use C++, they'll be adding Python here. Well, or both. So that'd be cool to be able to do both. They have a bunch of cool stuff. There's actually a lot of movies use Unreal Engine for their special effects stuff. Like I think there's one movie coming out like Alita. Pretty sure that was built with Unreal Engine cutscene stuff. But yeah, you can come in here and you can see all of the stuff on the roadmap that they're going to be doing. They're going to add instant replay. That seems pretty sick. They've added so much stuff since I've last worked with it, but it's pretty sweet. The 4.2 release was mostly, they did add some animation stuff, I believe. And some VR stuff. Most of the development work is focused on supporting Fortnite. Well, luckily for me, the game that I kind of want to make is it's kind of like a BR-ish sort of, but it's in my best interest because it's kind of like my dream game to make. But this was before Fortnite came out, and now Fortnite's out, and so what's the percent of students who got a job? All of the students get jobs. You're not paying anything, right? You just have to spend the time to be enrolled, but you're not paying anything to be at Lambda. So it's free until you get a job or until you make 50,000. It's free until you get a job making 50,000 or more as a software developer or whatever the path was that you took, right? So if you go back into car sales or some other job making 50K, you don't have to pay them because they didn't do their job correctly. They didn't give you the skills needed to get a job, so you don't have to pay them. You have to pay 17% of your income back for 2 years. So if you're making 50K, pay 17% back for 2 years. That's like 14K. 17%. I know Austin said that their most recent cohorts were like 80 something. Well, all of them were employed, right? But some of them went the startup route, some of them went freelance, and then some of them went to actually be employed. How much is their cut? No, you need to be making a salary of 50,000 a year, and then you pay back 17% for 2 years. Hello, hello, hello. Code Party, what's up, dude? Welcome to the party. What do I think about 42 Silicon Valley? It's some French guy's philanthropy project to teach people how to code for free. I don't really know. That's just what I've read about it. There's not a whole lot. I know they give you like free housing and stuff. I'm not sure. I mean, it's free. Why not? You're just giving up your time. It's up to a certain amount, right? So you pay 17% for 2 years or up to 30,000. It's pretty pricey, right? But it's a 7.5 month. It's not like boot camp. It's 7.5 months. You do computer science and you do web dev. So that could be like 34K. Yeah, it's up to 30,000. So you don't pay any more. You pay up to 30,000. That's it. It's cut off. Just went to a hackathon at 42. It was fun. Sweet, dude. How'd it go? Craig knows. Yeah, it has a cap. I'm getting distracted by this roadmap on my screen. All these GIFs playing. A few more minutes, then I'm gonna head out. I gotta make a video today. Then I might do a Twitch stream if you're interested in the Twitch and the playing the games with me. That is, I'm not that bad, so don't worry. You don't have to carry me. It's a bargain for you. As a web dev, how much value do you think there is in learning CS algorithms? Depends on where you want to work. Value on a day-to-day basis? Probably not so much. Not as a web dev. If you're doing data science or machine learning, and probably a lot more. Python or PHP for server side? No, they're both pretty good. PHP, it's kind of antiquated. Python has a lot more utility that you could expand into if you wanted. I did PHP, but now I'm learning Python, so it's not so bad. But yeah, Jordy, I think it just depends on where you want to work. Like, you're just gonna, if you work at Google as a front-end developer, you're gonna answer the CS questions up front, and then you're gonna go do your job, which is React, JavaScript, and do the same stuff anyone else does, right? But you've passed the interview test, so that's kind of like your bragging right, I guess. Can you collaborate with me? Yeah, dude, let's do it. You're the 0 subscriber person you can use as a test case? Yeah, dude, I'm all about it. Let's do it. Are you on Discord, Edward? If you go to Discord, just shoot me a message. We can set up a vid, film a vid. Maybe we'll do that for today's video if you want. We can do developer stories, Edward, and then you can talk about why you picked Lambda, I guess, or what you were doing before, where you're at now, how you're PM. I think it'd be fun if you want to do that as a developer story. Yeah, so JavaScript and Unity was actually never used, and there's a whole bunch of like, if you look for a problem, like, because you can almost Google anything in Unity as a problem, and someone will already have had that problem because it's used for making games and they all have similar concepts. But there was never any solution for JavaScript. Everyone's like, I don't know. No, but you can sign up. Yeah, it's just, I mean, you don't have to sign up. I think you can either do it in browser or you can get the desktop app. Jordy, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, man. You can sign up tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm pretty busy. I probably have like 5 or 6 students that I have to teach. Well, 5 or 6 sessions that I need to block off time for. Yeah, I mean, we'll figure it out. Just shoot me a message. It says 20K upfront plus no income based. So you can either pay the 20,000 upfront and have no income repayment, or you can do the income share agreement. Sean, you're right, yeah. Small businesses, a lot of companies online are still running on PHP for their backend just because it's old. You can do it tonight. Okay, sounds good. Well, it depends on what time. IT certifications. Semicolon. All right, man. Alright, I got a couple more minutes. I'm just going to do some shout outs for all you guys hanging out. I appreciate you spending your time with me, clicking on my stream and not the other ones. I appreciate all of you guys. Jordy, thanks for the sub, by the way. Justin, thanks for hanging out. Gourdbox, thanks for hanging out. Sean, your worst enemy. Morgan, thanks for hanging out. Craig, you're always here, but thanks. Kanaj, Connor, Pothead, what's up? We got Aporv, Cody, Hammy, Sean, McMaster, Bitcode, thanks for that dono earlier. Sean, thanks for the dono also. Hapito, if you want to shout out, just drop your name. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm gonna head out here in a little bit. I have to go to the gym. It's still chest day, so I'm warmed up now, I guess. I have to go warm up, but if I don't get a new max today, I'm blaming you guys. Baller stream as always. Hey, thanks for that comment. I don't feel like a baller stream, but you know, thanks for hitting me right in the confidence, man. Rickson, what's up, dude? Thanks for hanging out. Can't decide which course to pick out of the 6. There's actually only 3. You can do the beginner ones. Those are free. You can see what it's like. You're sending my resume to Google. Let's see how it goes. Do it, dude. Yo, Vincent, what's up, man? Thanks for hanging out. Listening to 339 Samin Nostrat. Ha! That's what I was listening to at the, I was listening to that on the gym, at the gym the other day. And it was just like he had trouble pronouncing her name, and they talked about that like for 10 minutes, and I was like, oh, this is why I listen to books. What's my favorite? No, dude, don't ask me what my favorite is. Just pick one. Just pick one that you're passionate about. I do web dev, so that's what I'd pick. What would I pick now? I'd probably pick machine learning. They use Python, so that'd be fun. How much is my max on bench? Yeah, like 240. Yeah, Dustin, that was a good episode though. I mean, she talks about like her journal, whatever that she sells, her manifestation journal. I guess that was pretty neat. How far did I get in Google? I just did the first one, and then they were like, okay, well, just message me to set up part 2, and then I just never messaged her back. You sent the resume 3 weeks ago, no response. I think I did include you in it. If I didn't, maybe it just didn't get posted. Hey, cool new mic. Thanks, Evan. I got the Samsung G-Track Pro. Ricardo, it's nothing personal. I think I did do it, though. I remember looking at yours specifically. And I think I did do it. New mic looking good. Does it sound good though, right? Do I sound like a crisp audio or radio host? Welcome to the podcast brought to you by Audible. We hope you have enjoyed this book. You technically know Python, but haven't used it in application for like a year and a half? Yeah. So, hit up the Twitch. We can go hang out and be more like, we can actually like communicate. We can hop in chat, voice chat, do whatever. Mic sounds good. Cool. Is it echoey? Because I have my whole room is wood. I have a wooden floor. There should be a lot of echo in here, but this is a condenser mic, so it should theoretically be a lot better. You don't sound like Mr. McAllister. Dang it. Did I watch the McGregor fight? I didn't. I saw a picture of Dan Bilzerian watching the McGregor fight with his like 16 girls. So I'm interested in machine learning. Yeah, dude, sounds good. Sound better than my resume review that did the other day. Oh my god, dude, that the whole process of yesterday's video was a mess. I didn't click the record button, but I thought I did on one of the resume reviews, so I had to do that twice. And then I had to do one again because I sounded like a freaking chipmunk and the microphone was dying. And then I tried to render the video 3 times and I had to restart my computer 3 times. Then my files wouldn't transfer from my video camera, and then the audio wasn't working, and then Adobe Premiere Pro started crack. Like, I'm just complaining, right? But like, it was a cluster. Yesterday's video, oh man. No echo, thanks, dude. Gonna apply to every course. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that, but I mean, if you want to, just do what you're passionate about. I might do UI UX. Actually, I take that machine learning. I like design. I'm a very visual person. I like design a lot. Am I good at it? Not yet. You can learn it. But I'm gonna head out. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the Monday stream. And again, I'll link the Twitch one more time. If you want to go play some games, I might do that later tonight, but depending on if Edward messaged me on Discord or not. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the donations, guys. Hope you guys have a great Sunday, productive Sunday, and see you tomorrow.